How to build social proof as a real estate agent? What are the key components and different type of social proofs? And how to build wealth as a real estate agent? Welcome friends, my name is Mandeep Tesi. First of all, let's discuss what is social proof. Social proof is like a reference check. For example, there is a buyer who want to work with a real estate agent. Obviously, in North America, you need a real estate agent to do the transaction, whether you are buying or selling. So what that buyer will see, he will talk to their friends or family, he'll search for a top producer real estate agent who can help him buy his dream home. What that buyer is looking for, he's looking for social credibility of the real estate agent. This being a proof that this agent is successful and he's the right person which will help him in buying that home. So that's what the term comes as social proof. But how it's going to help you as a real estate agent? If you talk about GTA, Toronto, we have more than 85,000 agents. There's a buyer standing and you have 85,000 agents standing in the line. What will happen to this buyer? How he's going to make a choice that I have to work with this real estate agent only? So you need your social credibility, your social proof to justify that you are knowledgeable in your industry and this buyer is going to work with you only. Same happens with sellers. So now you know that you need a social proof. But what are those social proof types? What are the key components of it? Let's discuss that in more detail. The most important component of social proof is social media. Yes, you need to be active on all the platforms so that people can see you everywhere, proving yourself that you are the expert, you know the market, and you have a lot of reviews available where your customers are happy working with you. Let's take an example. As of now, we have more than 100,000 viewership on TikTok itself. We have more than 50 on Instagram combined. All the platform, we have more than 200,000 followership. So this means it proves our credibility that we are expert in our industry. Another important point is rating and reviews. You need reviews like Google reviews, which will help to prove your credibility to your buyers or sellers that you are expert and you will make that deal happen for them. Another point, authority content. Meaning, are you an hyper local expert? Do you have real estate educating content or a blog which guide buyers or sellers what are the best practices in real estate? Do you have regular video content or even photos showing that you are the local expert? This will really boost your real estate business and you will be treated as a social expert. Now let's move on how you can build your social proof from scratch as a new agent or an experienced real estate agent. Most crucial part here is you need to be present on all the social media platforms. Most of the real estate agent thinks that they have a Facebook account. This means they have a social proof. This is really misleading. This is an era of technology. Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, they are picking up even the LinkedIn. So you need to be present and be consistent on all those platforms which will boost your credibility as an hyper local expert in the real estate industry. Next, most important point, always take reviews from your clients. That can be a Google review, Zillow reviews, whatever the platforms you are on, realtors.ca.com reviews. The most important points which helped us to scale is live reviews from the client, which boost your credibility for the next sellers or buyer who are looking to buy and sell their real estate property. Third most important point, regular content. You need to look like an expert. For example, you need to post your just listed, just sold property so people know that you are active in real estate industry. You need to have an educating content for your buyers or sellers, informing up like what are latest news in the real estate industry. For example, what is happening to the interest rate right now? It's going up, down, how it's going to impact the real estate industry, what were the recent stats. All those information build your credibility on all those social platforms and it further boosts your revenue source. But how it's going to help you as a real estate agent to build wealth in real estate industry? Remember, the more knowledge you're giving to the people, it builds your credibility online. This means more people, buyers and sellers will love to work with you because you are a hyper local expert. You understand real estate industry, how it works, you have a knowledge of the platform. It's obviously going to boost your real estate income. But remember, you will say, oh, it takes my effort and energy. I have never touched a phone. I don't know how to use it. Then what you need to learn is either you work with an expert who knows the technology, hire them or you learn by yourself. Another most important part is you take training with the people who are expert in this, and they can help you scale in the real estate industry business, build your social proof, which will help you to boost your income as an expert in your industry. For example, join a team which is helping you to boost your social media presence. We are hiring recently for our growing team. So what we are doing is we are helping our agent to boost your social presence, build your social credibility, being looking as an expert in the industry, which is helping them grow as an expert in the industry, which is not only helping our team grow, it's helping the agents who are joining our team. So if you're looking something like that, links will be given in the description. We are more than happy to educate the process and how we can help and scale together as an expert in the real estate industry. Thanks again for watching the amazing video, and do you remember, you need to press a thumbs up, which is going to boost your income by 100,000 if you are going to press this like button. Thanks for watching again.